Hi, everybody. We start off with another terrorist attack tragedy in Europe and Belgium. Markets are becoming more and more immune to this. So no huge flight to safety. Gold's up a little bit. I'm still going to be patient and look for one more push up towards 1290 in gold. Euro held where it had to so far. This 112 area, 111.75. Yen still doesn't look complete to me. CAD, maybe that's it. And we're going to get one more shot down if crude extends here to some buy zones. I know some people were looking to buy USD CAD under 129. That's where a third drive would come in. And I do believe the RSI would hold above 30 in that case. So who's in the house? Hello, Midas, Alien, Sinatra, the lead. Here I am, hi Ziggy, Flash, 1776, Luca, JM, Alien, how's everyone doing? Ed Z, Luca, John, everyone welcome. Michelle, hi Cyric, how are you, buddy? Everyone welcome Michelle, Pilar. Other new handles. Ed Z, how you doing? Dion, Jake, Innie, hi Abel, how are you? Solar looks new. Everyone welcome Solar. Doug, Mystic is in the house. Adinda, Ron, JM, Mauricio, Ron's here. Okay, guys, so let's go to work. Okay, you're out of the pound Aussie, okay. Pound got to some targets, 42.5. I still think there could be another push up in the pound, maybe even from these levels. Hello, Khalid, how are you? Everyone doing okay? We have no interview today. If anyone wants to step up and do an interview with me, all it takes is a Gmail address. Alien, are you game? You bought the dip? Yeah. You could talk about your blog and your bearish view on Apple. Anyone game to do to have a conversation with me in the second hour? This is your chance to have some visibility. The interview will be live and then tweeted out. Who's interested? Oh, well, Rick, you can't expect perfection at the crab table, right, buddy? You got most of it. Congratulations. Any volunteers? Tosin, how about you? Who would like to see me interview Tosin? Give me a Y. Are you up for it, Tosin? It would be a growth experience for you. Jax, how about you? You want to try it? Okay, Aileen. Khalid, you want to try it? Mystic, would you like to try it? Ron, haven't heard from you in a while. Still short the oil? Okay. The Grays, would you like to try it? Doug? We're all the brave lions in LAR. Do I have one brave? Do I have one brave lion that would like to address the community today? Anybody? Hello, Carlos. Maybe Carlos. Carlos, you want to do an interview today? I think anything you did would be worthwhile. No one really has to put together any kind of special. You won't wing it? Come on. Wing it, Mystic. Do it on a wing and a prayer. So everyone thinks they have to have this huge preparation for an interview. And some of the best interviews are spontaneous. When it's not scripted out, prepared, we just get on and we start having a conversation and maybe pull up a chart and talk about what you do and how you do it and what you look for and tell us about the beginning part of your journey and how you evolved into it. The interviews make you cry too. I really think you need an antidepressant, buddy. You're crying too much. You're melancholy. Maybe some Effexor, Paxil, Zoloft, something. Take you out of that depression. How about you, Jax? Would you like to do an interview with me today? Oh, okay. St. John's wort. So you're taking St. John's wort. Am I correct? you, you wash down your St. John's wort. I bet Tolson will do it. Tolson, would you like to be interviewed today? How would you like to do a conversation? Okay, you bought the Aussie Kiwi? Remember, I'm clairvoyant. You take St. John's wort and wash it down with a 12 pack. So everyone doing okay on this shortened week? You're ready right now. You underestimate yourself. You underestimate yourself, buddy. How about you, Todd? I think I've gotten an email from you. You have quite an interesting journey. How would you like to be interviewed today? How about the Grays? Okay. Not going to beg anyone. Yeah, I did. I did it with VIX derivatives. VIX derivatives. Hi, Cyric. Zurich's ready to be interviewed. Aussie yen, possible head and shoulders, interesting. Back at 82. Nice look, Zurich. Possible head and shoulders on Aussie yen from Zurich. Everyone thanks Zurich for his Aussie yen look. Take a look at it. Plus, we really diverge. Look at the divergence at the high. Very good eye, Zurich. We had massive divergence here at the top. I like it. I think you should wait for the breakdown in case there's another rally, though. I would wait for a breakdown. I wouldn't try and get the edge for 20 pips. Thank you, Zurich. Jack's live trade call. Long Swiss. Good hunting on this one, Jax. Everyone thank Jax. Looks like he got long right here. Stops here. Target up here. Thank you, Jax. Okay, Midas got short yesterday. You have a chart for us? Targets, Midas. What time frame is that, Jax? My guess is it's 1 hour or shorter. I don't think it shows it. I think they're usually the same time frames. Yeah, it doesn't show what TF it is. Okay, Luca, I think it's Euro Aussie's a good trade. I think we're going to 52. Okay. This is a nice look by Luca. Bullish view on Aussie yen. I mean on Euro Aussie. Been moving sideways for a while. Not sure what the time frame on this is either, but I thank you for the look on Euro Aussie, Luca. Thank you, Luca. 1 hour for Luca. Jax, what was your time frame on that? On your Swiss trade? Crude's rolling over. So far this looks like 1, 2, maybe down to 40 bucks there. Thanks, Luca. Ed Z, how you doing? Dion, Jake, Innie, welcome back, Innie. JM, how's it going? I think Rick's already short. I think you have the same targets, Mystic. Yeah. There you go. LAR confluence between Mystic and Ricardo. Pretty strong combination. Yes, everyone wanted to know what your time frame was on the Swiss. Your TF on that chart. Thank you, Ricky. What color was it? I don't remember. It was your link. $15-minute. There you go. Whoever wanted to know the TF. Are most of your charts in that time frame, Jax? You scalp off the 15-minute, right? Mainly. Is that true? Not a lot. How are you, Dion? Okay, most are 5. So you went long term on that one. Euro pound. What are you doing with the euro pound now, Rick? Looks not like now it wants 80. I think the euro's still going to 115. Dion, I still think we're going to take out the highs made after the Fed. I still think we're going here to 14.5. I think you could buy it here with 100 pip stop, looking for 240 to 300 with low leverage. It's holding the 200 right here. I still think we're going higher. That's my view. $41. Thank you, Rick. Can we see it? Look at that. That's all the way from the bottom. Nice 30-minute. I think the alien has something on. Thank you, Rick. And here's alien's look on the Brent. Same type of view. Everyone thank Rick for his WTI look and alien for his Brent look. We have all the different crude markets covered here in LAR. Thank you, Warriors. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Alien. Thank you, God. Thank you, guys. Who loves LAR in here? Anyone love LAR? Guys, tell me what you like the most about LAR. What do you like about LAR? The charts? Sinatra loves it. Rick and Alien are like Batman and Robin. The dynamic duo. Rick and Alien. How are you today, Ibby? Hope LAR is helping you out to help reach your goal. Broken triangle. Siric's got a head and shoulders in the guppy. The down-sloping neckline. I've heard that down-sloping necklines are even more bearish. But that's an interesting look. Shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline. Very nice view, Siric. Siric Rembrandt. Siric Rembrandt with his look on the guppy. Everyone thinks Siric, that's a very nice view of the guppy. That would imply 150 or lower, it looks like to me. Okay, one more rally to 1300 from Luca. That's what I've been waiting for. Yeah, I think it'll happen with the euro going to 114.50 to 115. Come out of this pennant, $50, 50 bucks. Call this a $50 range right here. Breaking out here, it's going to take you up there. Nice look. Thank you, Luca. Thank you, Siric, for your guppy head and shoulders. Thank you, Luca, showing how we could get one more push up. Some great sayings. Some great sayings by Ziggy. The goal is not to know everything about the market. The goal is to find tools that allow me to trade the psychology of the market as it is presented to me by price. Price is a measuring tool by which we measure fear and greed. That's where people vote with their wallet. The goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. Alexander Elder. BW likes my singing. 155 for a target in the guppy. We could retest the 55 lows. Thank you, Lions. Thank you all you LAR Lions for all of your contributions today so far. Everyone doing all right? Great minds think alike. Booyah. Booyah, Kramer. Hi, Brooke. Booyah. Good one, Ziggy. Booyah. Booyah, Kramer. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Who loves Jim Cramer? Give me a Y. Cramerica. Kramer for president. Okay, Midas, thank you. We'll see what kind of liberal budget we get from Jacques Cousteau. I mean Trudeau. Not Jacques Cousteau, but Trudeau Jr. Trudeau Jr. Everyone doing okay? You guys are stuck listening to me for 2 hours today. Robert Dunn will be with us tomorrow morning. We'll have 2 interviews tomorrow, possibly. Everyone doing okay? I was. Rick. Looks like we're going for new highs now, doesn't it? What do you think? John, how are you? Jon, how are you doing? Innie, how are you? Solar, hope you're enjoying your time in here. Nilana, how are you? Welcome back. Fame, hi. Goldie's in the house. I think someone did, Luca. Forex Stop Hunter said to look for this time zone. D. Kadig saw it yesterday. He Skyped me. How are you, Goldie? Okay. 80-60 now. Thank you, Rick. You have a picture? Hello, Ray. Welcome back to LAR. Yeah, so we never achieved the head and shoulders target. $80.80. Okay. Very nice look, Rick. So we're blown through the 50, 61/8 next. It's a little bit underneath. The measured move's a little bit underneath the 61/8. Thank you for clarifying it for me, Rick. Appreciate it. I want to thank Rick for the Euro Pound Weekly. Shows that we're headed towards the 80.5, 81 level. 81 being 61/8 back. Very nice view. Supplied by Ricardo Dinger. Thank you, Rick. Nice telescopic view. I like telescopic views. Everyone doing okay? Okay. Confluence. That's right, you did, Zurich. Confluence between Ricardo and Zurich. Don't fade this combo. Thank you, Zurich. Don't fade Zurich and Ricardo when they're saying the same thing. LAR confluence. And then a shorter term one. $80.60. Thank you, Zurich. Zurich and Rick on the same page in Euro Pound. So pay attention to those LAR confluences. We have a few today. Those are the two LAR confluences I've noticed today. Give me a Y if you understand what LAR confluence is. Someone give me a definition of LAR confluence. Thank you, Mr. 1776. Who could define LAR confluence for the community? Who could define what I'm talking about? Anybody? And I may have missed a handle or two or a trade or two. That's all I remember. That's good. Okay, the only thing I would add, it is on a pair using different methods, coming from different methodology. That's good. I hope not. Anyway, use protection. Just in case, use protection. All right, Ricardo? So the question on the pound is, can we squeak out one more high to 46? 45, 46. Oh my God. Good one, Haley. Looks like your brother. Looks like your brother. Aliens, what an artist. The boogeyman. One-eyed greenhorn. It's a purple people eater. Purple people eater. Alien. The one-eyed purple people eater. Pip eater. Thank you, Alien. You're quite an artist. You see, you think we're still going there? Let's see your bearish view again, Sirik, in the pound, looking for 130. Okay, buddy. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Rick. And here's Sirik's bearish view of giving us a 130 pound. Okay, so we got one more rally in the pound to 46 and then stay short for months. Yeah. Okay, one more rally and then 130. Okay, buddy, I'm with you on this one, Sirik. Everyone take a picture of this. Let's ride this pound down with what's happening in Europe and the fear of the Brexit. We're probably down here by the Brexit. It'll be a sell the rumor, buy the fact of the Brexit, or there'll be no Brexit. But this is a campaign trade. 1,400 pips from here. I like it. Everyone take a picture of this. Take your own screenshot. Follow this roadmap from Sirik, and thank Sirik for this roadmap. Thank you, Sirik. I believe in this one. So did everyone have a chance to take a screenshot of that? So try and ride that with at least one lot. Try and ride that with at least one lot. I think it's time for me to take a quick break. What do you guys think? You guys mind if I take 5 here? I want to thank everyone for their contribution so far today. I want to thank Tosin, Ed, Luca, John, Michelle, Sinatra, Dion, Jack, Zibby, Brooke, Ray, Jake, Mauricio, Khalid. Yeah. Annie, Midas, BW, Abel, Cyric, Nice Looks, Solar, Todd, Goldie, Doug, Mystic, Ricardo, as usual, Fame, Fab, Adinda, Ron, The Grays, JM, Mr. 1776. That's right. Cyric Soros. It even has alliteration. So, guys, I'll be back in 5. Thank you, everyone, for your great shares this morning. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back at Tinder. Thank you. Yeah, 91, huh? All the way down here, 88. Thank you, Sarah. There's something else from Rick. Thank you, Sarah. So does that show the Dixie going to 88? Because 88 is a very important technical level. Is that what you see there? And here's Rick's. Guppy. Yeah, that's pretty ugly. Got a hold here. This is what was ugly. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Rick. $91. Because I think if you do a long-term dollar chart from the 78 low to 100, I think that's some type of fib retracement at 88. Thank you, Rick. Thank you, Cyric. Stock market coming back. Pound Aussie for gamblers. all the way back. Thank you, Rick. Rick's saying a 20 pip stop, looking for 730. Okay. How are you doing today, Sheath? Everyone doing all right? Good. Are you in Europe? Thank you, Sheath. Glad to have you as part of our community. Feel free to share your charts. It's a safe environment in here. You're in Bangkok? Nice. I hear that's a very nice lifestyle there. Here's Rick's live scalp call here. Little double bottom. Wow, look at this. Head and shoulders objectives. Just looking for a recovery. Thank you, Ricardo. Nice. What kind of work do you do? What kind of work do you do? Hanging out in LAR? Hanging out in LAR? Oh, your workday's over, so it's nighttime for you. Always wanted to go there. So many places. Oh, interesting. What do you teach? What do you teach? Glad you found us. I'm going to call you Professor. Everyone, welcome Professor Sheath to our community. Oh, wow, NLP. So that's a great background for changing people's paradigms in trading. What do you think of Robert Proctor? A huckster or credible? Robert Proctor. Oh, okay. Interesting. So a lot of traders could use some NLP therapy, don't you think? Okay. Okay. So maybe you and I could have a conversation. Yeah, there you go. There's more to it than just an affirmation. You and I could have a little discussion one day here in LAR and talk about it. I believe in it. It is a science. Yeah. This is what I do. When I have these glasses on that Ziggy sent me, these glasses, I can see into the future. I can see what's going to happen tomorrow, today. I can see what's going to happen next week, right now. I know what's going to happen next year at this moment. And these Ziggy glasses, I think they're $1.99. I recommend every LAR Lion gets a pair for us all to wear when we get together and break bread together and hold up a glass to toast each other's success of becoming multimillionaires in the market. But when I wear these glasses, I can see through time. I can see through time. Oh, good. Do you play it at night when you're sleeping, Sarek? Hillary wins. Hillary wins. Hillary wins. Bill Clinton will be the first lady, and Hillary will be the prez. Bill Clinton will be the first lady. For the 10th time. That's my Nostra Pinkert, Dion. It will be Hillary Clinton. I think she'll beat him. I think she's looking forward to running against him. Billy. But what do I know? I'm just a hungry lion. Everyone doing okay? Goldie's saying Ted Cruz, huh? You really believe that? So Cruz will get the nomination at the brokered convention? How can he win a general election, though? No, he's still the first lady. Demographically, Hillary has the edge. Oh, hope? No, predictions. What's everyone? Yeah, Mauricio used to live up there. What a dead market. Dead market. Oh, okay. You mean to Johnny Cash's I've Been Everywhere? To Johnny Cash's I've Been Everywhere. Let's watch Rick's trade. Here's Rick's scalp. I trade everything, man. I trade everything. I trade Swiss and man. I trade everything. It'll make Jacks cry. I don't know that one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I do that one. I do that one for crude. For the EIA report. Everybody's on some crude. E-I-E-I-O. A. E-I-E-I-A. It ain't nothing but a drawdown's my new favorite. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. It ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. But I ain't scared 'cause I still believe the call. Never said I was perfect, 'cause that would be a lie. Never said I was perfect, 'cause that would be a lie. Yours too, Goldie? Ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. Ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. But But I ain't scared 'cause I still believe the call. Never said I was perfect, 'cause that would be a lie. Never said I was perfect, 'cause that would be a lie. But I can look you in the eye, and that's why I say why. Watch me fly. Ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. Ain't nothing but a drawdown and a margin call. But I ain't scared, 'cause I still believe the call. Well, you wouldn't be crying if you took Ricardo's scalp on the pound Aussie. He's already got 20 pips. That should temper your sadness. You got it, Goldie. All right. I know. Swiss's worked for you, huh? Nice live trade, Rick. I'm gonna thank Rick for the live scalp and pound Aussie. If you took it, you made some money. Way to go, bro. Way to go, bro. Rick can trade any time frame. Stop losses. Well, I'm a big believer in stops being market related rather than money related. So I don't know how you could have a percent. Some people will only risk 1% of their account per trade. So I don't think you should risk more than 1%. But I don't think a money stop is better than a market stop. You understand what I'm saying, Dion? So you have to know why you're doing the trade. So you identify the contingency that's getting you in. And then if that contingency is negated, you need to get out of the way. So whatever the reason is for getting in the trade, if that reason is negated, you get out of the trade. Anyone else have advice for Dion? It's very important that we help Dion on this. And if anyone wants to reach out and exchange information with Dion to help him, that's what we do in LAR. We're here to help people. So that's my 2 cents. Goldie, you want to help Dion with his stop losses? Average trading range is one way. So if you're trading a breakout and you go with a breakout and the breakout's negated, you get out of the way or reverse, right? If you're trading a reversal candle, that's a good one, Goldie. Use technical stops, and if it doesn't fit that, it depends on your leverage more than time frame. But good question. Good question, Dion. Okay, that's another good point. Another great point by Mystic. Very good point, Mystic. Interesting. Okay. Another good point by Cyric. Here comes the euro. Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, Mystic. Looks like a 2 driver in the guppy. One, two. on confirmation here. I can't make it bigger. Thank you, Goldie. Goldie's looking for a pop here. Looks like back to about 160. $159.5. Everyone thank Goldie. All right, Dion, take it easy, buddy. Hi, Pipper. How are you? How you doing, buddy? S&Ps came all the way back on this terror attack. How are you, Ed Z, Michelle, John, Rook, Innie, BW, what's up? Solar, how are you? Hope you're enjoying your time here in LAR. Nilana, Lanania from South Africa. Fab, how are you, brother? Ron, pretty quiet. The Grays, what are you looking at, guys? Find out what suits your trading personality, Dion. You know, I know a lot of people trade a lot of different pairs, but just some food for thought. I knew guys at the CME that traded in one pit their whole career. They knew one market like the back. Yeah, they knew one market like the back of their hands. And they were very successful knowing one market thoroughly instead of many. Master one market. Just something to think about. I knew guys in the cattle pit that never left to trade gold or S&Ps. You might be right, Pipper. You could be right. Remember, tomorrow's a lunar eclipse. Sometimes we get turns on eclipses. Lunar eclipse tomorrow. All right. Do you keep a journal? Do you keep a journal, Dion? Now, when I interviewed Wayne last week, he was an intensive journaler. A lot of successful traders that I've interviewed believe in keeping a journal so that you have it down in writing. Getting back to NLP, as he asks the professor, writing things down leaves more of an impression on your brain. You do? Okay. All right. Okay. How did you know you didn't need one anymore, Goldie? Hi, Ali. What made you put it down? Just curious. You felt like you had it. You had yourself programmed. Okay, Brooke. It's a good idea. It won't hurt you. Uh-oh. Having chart dreams. Now I'm going to worry about you, Deanna. I've had market dreams. Everyone doing okay? Ever hear the expression, to be there for the good times, you have to be there all of the time? To be there for the good times, you have to be there all of the time. It's when you turn your head is when everything happens. That's a great answer. That's a great answer. There are people that dispute that, Pipper. Let's see. One guy that disputes that is Rob Booker disputes what you just said. I think that's a great answer. Great answer, Goldie. Laziness and success made him stop. You're going to make it. You're going to make it, buddy. There you go. Use max leverage on red number days. Turn $100 into 100K. If you use max leverage on the Fed or NFP, your account will be eventually history. Use max leverage on red events. You'll have to move from your house and live in a tent. Use max leverage. Turn $100. Try and turn it in one day into 100K. Use max leverage. Use max leverage. Use max leverage. 1,000,000 to 1, and your account will be done. You'll be out in the sun. And it won't be much fun if you use max leverage. Oh, that's a good one. Or you'll be asking for a job. Then go to the dealership and ask if you could have a demo. If they'll hire you and give you a demo because you had to sell your Maserati. How about that, Goldie? I'm gonna make a song. Yeah, I'm gonna make a song. That song makes me cry. That's gonna be the title of the song I'm gonna write it for you. So Euro's still holding the 200 on the 1 hour. Still think this is a destiny in the Euro up here at 14 and a half. Still think that's going to be the case. Everyone doing all right? This was what kind of high in the Euro here, guys? Here's your 1 hour Euro chart. I'll work on it today. What kind of high was this in the Euro after the Fed? What kind of high is this? Everyone welcome Kojima to LAR. It's okay. What kind of high is that on the RSI? That's right. What does it imply, Sarah? Everyone welcome Kojima. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, another one coming. Not always, but a higher probability. That's right. Another high that may or may not be confirmed. I know. You always beat me, buddy. Now you don't know if it's going to be confirmed or not. S&P has fought its way all the way back. Thank you, Golden. Markets rarely peak or bottom on when momentum confirms. Goldie's getting a pop in the guppy. I think it was a 1 hour chart. He showed this. What did he show? Yeah, here's the second drive here. 1, 2. He showed it here. What are you looking for? 9.5, Goldie? 950. And then maybe we end up with one more. So this low diverged from this low. Nice shot, Goldie. Congratulations, buddy. Is there someone on deck, Adinda? Got you. It's an inside candle. And you never had a reversal candle. So you're right, it's still neutral. Everyone doing okay? Okay, Rick. Everyone doing okay? Hey, Deanne. Okay, thank you, Adinda. So here's my wrap up, everyone. I want to wish Goldie good luck on this trade on the guppy, and want to thank Rick for his pound Aussie 15-minute scalp. We'll see if it holds. My view is that there's still higher numbers come in the euro. As I've taught for years, we had a confirmed high here in the euro. I have a couple of lines that meet around the 115 level, right up here, a third drive line. Plus, this is a back test of the breakdown from the daily. This breakdown line, it worked once. I think it has destiny up here. 114 and a half, 115, that's my target. Then I'll be looking at maybe another bounce in the dollar from there. So thank you everyone for your contributions today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I love all you guys. I love you, Forex Pipper. Love you, Dion. Love you, Ali. Love you, Mystic. Love you, Adinda. Love you, Sinatra. Love you, Ricardo. Love you, Goldie. Getting to love you, Brooke. Love you, Cyric. So pleased and nice to meet you, Sheath. Glad to have you part of our community. Love you, Luca. Jax, I love you, buddy. Mr. 1776, love you. Tosin, love you. Ed ZFX, I really don't know you, so I can't love you yet. John, I don't know you yet, so I can't love you. Michelle, hope you're enjoying yourself here. Jake, welcome back. Khalid, I love you. Any, I don't know you really. BW, I love you. Solar, welcome to LAR. Todd, how are you? I don't hear much from you anymore. Nalana, Doug, Fame, Fab, Ron the Dutch, I love you. Fab, I love you. The Grays, I love you. JM, I love you. Mr. 1776, I love you. Have a great day, everybody. See you tomorrow. We'll have 2 interviews tomorrow. So good hunting the rest of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.